Are you nearly ready for Christmas yet? We've been getting ready for Christmas today, feeling really Christmassy. If you're like me and you've had a busy day, now you need to make the tea. Well, tonight's tea is going to be super easy and quick. It's Hunter's chicken. We're making it for the first time with this Hunter's chicken sauce from Morrison's. Never tried this before. So let's have a look at the ingredients for 2 servings. We will need half a jar of Hunter's chicken cooking sauce, 2 chicken breast fillets, 2 slices of bacon, about 50 grams of grated cheese, and we're going to be serving this with some mini roast potatoes and green veg. So we'll need some cooking oil for the roast potatoes, and tonight I'm going to try putting them in a little bit of flour as well. First up, we wrap the chicken breast in a slice of bacon. Do the same with the other one. I'm going to use all of this bacon. This one's going to have 2 pieces of bacon on it. I'm going to put a splash of oil in a frying pan. I'm going to put the pan onto a medium heat. As I'm using an induction hob, I'm just going to put it onto 2. If you're using a normal electric hob, you would put it up to 3 or 4 for this job. Now I'll place the chicken breast wrapped in bacon onto the frying pan. Now I will peel the potatoes and get them ready. Now we will flip this chicken breast. Back to the potatoes. Next we chop the potatoes up into small shapes. We're going to parboil the potatoes for no more than 10 minutes. Now we will grate some cheddar cheese. I'm just turning off the induction hob that has the chicken on it, and I'm moving the chicken into the tray. Now the recipe for this says it would be good to use a full jar for 4 chicken breasts. So I think it would be good to use half a jar for this job, so we can save a little bit of this sauce if we want to. It's quite thick, it's barbecue and tomato. So I have used just over half a jar there. We will be sprinkling some cheese on towards the end of the cooking. Zone 2 for now. The instructions say bake it for 180 degrees, at 180 degrees for 40 minutes I think it was. So this is the air fryer, it's not going to take as long. So we'll pop it on for 25 minutes at 180 degrees. I've drained the parboiled potatoes. They were boiling for just under 10 minutes. So we'll add some salt. Sprinkle of flour. Olive oil. And give that a really good mix. Whoops, potato overboard. Add some more salt. We'll add these into the air fryer to cook alongside the Hunter's chicken. I'm going to start it on the grand zone, and this time I am going to put the temperature up a bit because the roasties will cook better on a high heat, and I'll just keep an eye on the chicken, see how that goes. 8 minutes to go on the air fryer. It's time to add the cheese onto the chicken. Just adding some green veg into the pan. Ideally, I would be having some broccoli or maybe some peas with this. Just putting the green veg on to boil. Oh, it looks lovely, that chicken. Just turning off this green veg because it's definitely cooked. I've drained the green veg. Oh, it looks lovely. All cooked really well there. Hunter's chicken with mini roasties. Bon appetit. That was delicious. I ate practically everything on my plate. The chicken was packed with flavour with the bacon and the cheese, and the Hunter's chicken sauce was lovely. The barbecue and tomato sauce. The mini roasties worked a treat with the flour and the oil. They were nice and light and fluffy. Really delicious. Let's have a look at the estimated cost for this delicious, easy to cook Hunter's chicken for 2 servings. The chicken breasts were £2.40 from Sainsbury's. The Hunter's chicken sauce was £1.20 for the jar. That was from Morrison's. We used just over half a jar, so that would be about 60p. The potatoes I've estimated at 60p. The green veg 50p. The grated cheese 40p. And the oil and flour for the roast potatoes 20p. So altogether, the food costs for this meal are about £4.70, which is really good for 2 servings. I've estimated the electricity for the hobs at 18p and the air fryer at 30p. So altogether, the energy cost is about 58p. Added to the £4.70, it comes to an estimated cost of £5.28. I would definitely make this meal again. It's the first time I've made a Hunter's chicken meal myself using a pre-made sauce. Normally, when we've had Hunter's chicken in the past, we buy it in the pre-made packets from the supermarket, so you get the foil tray and you just put it in the oven or the air fryer yourself. But I think it's better doing it this way because you can control the size of your portions more. So you might want to cook with more chicken breasts, or you might want to cook with free range chicken breasts, for example. You might want to add your own cheese on it, and you might want to add your own amount of Hunter's chicken sauce onto it. So I think it's a much better way of making this meal, and we'll definitely be having it again at some point.